So this project is called We Have Liftoff. It is a space-themed project. We have many attractions, all related to STEM. The way we decided on why or the reason to do this project was because we have relations to aerospace. We have a person that wants to go into aerospace engineering. I personally have an uncle that's a rocket scientist for NASA, so you can see how that corresponds there. But we decided to use this because there's a lot of physics in space, there's a lot of unknown, and there's a lot of interest to that for us. So we thought people should know more about it, and uh, it's going to become more relative to everyone's lives. So that's why we picked it.
So for our project, we were thinking about redoing the Dynalab area and putting in our space area. Starting with our first attraction, it's going to be VR with swivel chairs. It's going to allow people to see what they're interacting with. It's going to have several levels of interaction. Going into our second one, it's going to be the rover slash rocket simulator. It's going to allow people to get the real feel of simulators and rockets and how they work, the process of that. Our third attraction is a wind tunnel area that's going to allow different objects are going to be able to put in it, and we're going to see the amount of drag they have, how that affects aerodynamics, and why aerodynamics is so important with flight. Going over to our fourth attraction, we have the rockets history and how they were built, and we're going to have different prototypes of them, and they're going to be able to see how those have gotten better over the past years and why that is important to today. Going over to our last area, which is a very important area, it's going to show the STEM concepts, it's going to show the design process of engineering, it's going to allow kids to interact with screens and be able to build their own paper airplanes, and then in the end test them and see how they work and be able to make them better through the design process.